Okay, moving on to another question. Hollywood is very much specialized in special effects. Now, our films is a lot of masala. Talk about Dabang or maybe any other film, masala film. तो देखा जाता है कि मसाला फिल्म में बहुत ज़्यादा चल जाती हैं, जिसमें कि स्टोरी जो है थोड़ी सी मतलब हटके होती है, बिल्कुल रियल टाइप की नहीं होती है. Do you think so that our filmmaker doesn't have a storyline where we can prove an actor in special effects form and we can make the film a success hit form?
No, nothing like that. I think why do we still see our films and less the Hollywood films even today? But there's something in it we connect with them. Yes, in every kind of country there are a lot of bad films and a lot of good films.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe Hollywood makes a few more better films than us.
Mm-hmm.
We also make some good films, we also make bad films. Yes, we don't have the kind of money, our economics don't permit us to spend $300 million to make special effects of that kind of nature.
Mm-hmm.
Because there are not enough people to see it. They have a world audience, we have an India audience, so that automatically limits the amount we can spend on our movies. But it doesn't mean we can't write better stories. It can't mean every phase. We've also written very good stories. We've also made very good movies. We've also entertained people. We made fantastic. From this country came a Lagan. From this country came a Satya. From this country came a Rangila. From this country came a Sadma. From this country came a Sholay. From this country came an Amar Akbar Anthony. From this country came a Nasib. These are all films that we have enjoyed. There is no good or bad. Film is good when you enjoy it. Film is bad when you don't enjoy it. Finished.
I understand, but does that mean that we cannot take challenges like the special effects?
What is a challenge? A challenge is to make an entertainment film. I'm not here going to spell stress. I'm saying I want to prove to the world that I'm good at specials. Why? I've got other things to prove to the world. Why am I going to prove my ability to use specials? They've already done it. Yeah, let them do it now.
But the Bollywood copies Hollywood.
Why can't they copy us and say, let me do a challenge? Can we do a dance item number like that? They can't. No, why are we kind of worried about that? They got money, they're doing it. When we have money, we'll do it. We don't have money, let's attack some other way.
Okay.
Like they play American football. Do we play football? We don't. Now we play cricket.
Okay.
Like that, we need our originality because we are the most original culture. Our films are very original. For God's sake, that is not ape Bollywood. I don't think I ever want to kind of show off my special effects or my ability to craft or anything of that sort because it's all been done.
Okay.
What I can be original on is my story,
Alright.
is my content, is my script.
Okay.
And I don't need money for that. Okay, I can do it. And this country can produce that as well as any other country.
Okay.
So we can.
Coming to the next point now, there's a very hot debate which is again being spread out in the Bollywood industry. Like actors normally work in the camps very well because the chemistry between David Dhawan and Govinda, chemistry between Shah Rukh Khan and Karan Johar. Now you talk about yourself. You have casted Amit Ji for the second time in Power. Earlier we have casted in Chini Kam. So does the camps helps grow an actor and director as well? Or do you think so? Or what is your comments on that?
This is ridiculous because we're talking about a person like Amitabh Bachchan. Whole of India is his camp.
Okay.
I mean, what camp can you have a person like Amitabh Bachchan? There are some people who are icons. Sachin Tendulkar can have a camp. You can't.
No, but for example, Amit Ji has a camp like Sippy Films. He has done a lot of films.
No. There are people working with him at that point of time. So we work together. He will work with somebody else at some point in time. They will be working together. So anybody working there, like I work with my people here. Obviously we are working in the same office. We will be one house. You can't call us a camp. But the moment we don't work here, we'll be in some other thing, no? So it's very simple. It's who we work with. That's not a camp. A camp
So do you plan, so that for example, if you come up with a next script, are you sure that
If
you
I
will
have an
plan with some
idea.
other star besides Amit Ji?
Of course, if I have an idea which is right for somebody, I wouldn't put an idea which is not right for Amit Ji and cast Amit Ji in it. It'll be detrimental to how much I worship him.
Mm-hmm.
The issue is I'm a fan of Amitabh Bachchan like most of India is.
Okay.
You cannot say everybody in every other camp also is a fan of Amitabh Bachchan. So every other camp is an Amitabh Bachchan's camp.
Right.
Who is not a fan of Amitabh Bachchan in this country? So it's stupid.
Now, talk about sequels, Krish 2 is a sequel for Krish and Daban 2 is going to be a sequel for Daban. So the sequences are coming up. So do you think so that, now the film directors really doesn't have a topic or a fresh topic that they can produce on a new subject and that they just wanted to, recreate or reinvent the same script?
They are laughing at the people who are doing fresh subjects saying that I wish you guys had a subject that I could do 3 movies, that you could do 3 movies on. I have. So that's what people are saying who do sequels. They're fortunate to have an idea that you can spin off into 3-4 films and still make a lot of entertaining films. If your idea is so big that you have a franchise which is big enough to make 1, 2, 3, 4 films, people loving it, why not? I mean, there's no do's and don'ts in this entire industry. That's what I want to do, I do. That's what he wants to do, he does.
Okay, now coming on a very serious topic. Now, as you know very well, that Bollywood is a big market in the Southeast Asia. but still, country like India is incapable of stopping the DVD piracy. As you can imagine, that the moment the movie gets released on the Friday on the big screen, you get a view of all the DVDs and CDs sold out in the in the hawker center as well. So what is Bollywood doing to stop this DVD piracy?
Bollywood cannot do anything. The issue is, it's a shame that there are countries which have done it so beautifully, so successfully, where piracy is kind of limited.
Right.
Take a small case. Take a case of just Tamil Nadu. Okay? Just Tamil Nadu. The amount they have curtailed piracy of Tamil movies. Just Tamil movies. They have not curtailed piracy of Hindi movies, English movies, anything. Tamil movies are secured.
Right.
How? It's the will of the government. It's the will of the forces at play. It is not a Bollywood phenomenon. It's so corrupt that it is, you're barking up the wrong tree. You're trying to do this, that, and everything else. But it's a systemic problem of huge corruption. There are various people who are supposed to enforce the law are making money out of it. So obviously the piracy is not going to happen. It's got to come as a diktat. How did one government do it? How is it Karnataka if you go? How is the government, with all the mafias, all the undergrounds which are there, which are doing this piracy, you will never find a pirated Kannada film.
Alright.
It's a great thing. How can they achieve it? That means you're striking deals saying, please don't pirate Kannada film, pirate everything else. Tamil Nadu has don't pirate Tamil films. Kannada has don't pirate Kannadiga films. That means there is some methodology which is at work. Can we at least say please pirate Korean film, Japanese film, please don't pirate Hindi and all Indian language films? Let's start with that. Can Korea say please don't pirate Korean films? Because most of the market in Korea is for Korean films in Korea,
Right.
and Indian films is in India.
Right.
So will it be a much bigger understanding if Hollywood and Bollywood have an understanding saying that we'll pirate all Bollywood films in the US, you pirate all Hollywood films here? Can there be some, I'm just joking right now, but I'm saying, can there be some way? See, there is a rule even in the mafia. You can even make a mafia work, really well, according to some rules. Obviously it's illegal, obviously there's a give and take, but there must be some solution found, and it has to be found by the government. It is not a Bollywood problem, it's a national problem.
But then but the filmmakers doesn't come together to
What
fight
can a
it.
filmmaker do? It's not the filmmakers who are pirating. It is people who have nothing to do with films or pirating.
But did you try to put an effort along with your...
How much? We saw Pa being pirated, DVDs being sold after the first show of Pa near Santa Cruz station. We did a raid, hell of a lot of raids were done, a lot of things were done. You can't stop it. Next station they'll move to Ville Parle.
Okay.
They'll move to somewhere else. How much will you chase these guys? It's like a crime. You're saying that, for example, if you see a molestation happening out there,
Right.
can't all the people on Nariman Point get together and stop molestation? I mean, how much will we watch over that kind of stuff? Yeah, you have. That's why there's a law. That's why there's a government. That's why there are policies. That's why there's enforcement. It is time that we wished away as a country everything that can be, adjust. Everything is corrupt. We've accepted corruption as part of our system, and piracy is only one of the manifestations of it.
Okay. Now, tell me something. 3 best points of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, your favorite icon of Bollywood. 3 best points which you like about him.
The most fabulous wry sense of humor
Okay.
that I have seen. Phenomenal intuition as a person,
Okay.
and a really nice human being. The 3. As a professional, the ultimate personality,
Okay.
the ultimate actor,
All right.
and the person who is possibly one of the most creative people in this industry.
Wow. That sounds great.